Hello everyone, I am Bhushan and you are tuned into the 548 episode of our Here and Now podcast. Today we bring you the latest buzz from the insurance industry. So let's dive right in. Let's kick off today's episode with some exciting news from business standards. The GST Council is considering allowing input tax credit or ITC on corporate insurance premiums, a move that could reshape how companies manage employee insurance. While no GST exemption is proposed yet, this is part of a broader effort to rationalize GST on insurance products. The Council is reviewing exemption on health and life insurance premiums, especially for senior citizens, and debating ITC eligibility for the premiums on employee insurance policies like group health, accident, and term life common in corporate welfare programs. If approved, this could lower the effective cost of providing insurance, encouraging more businesses, including MSMEs, to offer comprehensive coverage. It aligns with government's goals of expanding insurance access while maintaining fiscal balance. However, the council has clarified that no blanket GST exemption is on the table at this stage. As insurance becomes a strategic tool for employee well-being and retention, this potential ITC reform could be a game changer. Up next, we spotlight a recent report from the Economic Times highlights that India is fast becoming a preferred destination for the medical tourism among NRIs thanks to its affordable, high quality healthcare. NRIs are increasingly returning not just for emergencies but also for planned procedures, wellness checkups, and chronic care, often saving up to 70% compared to treatment costs abroad. This trend is supported by a growing network of JCA accredited hospitals, advanced infrastructure, and telemedicine platforms that enable remote consultations before travel. Cities like Chennai, Hyderabad, and Mumbai are emerging as top choices, offering both medical excellences and culture familiarity. Health insurance is also playing a key role. NRIs are opting for Indian policies that ensure cashless treatment during visits. In response, insurers are offering customized plans covering pre existing conditions, outpatient care, and post OP recovery, making healthcare in India even more accessible for global Indians. Our next update from The Hindu highlights that Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister has announced a landmark initiative under the Swachh Swarna Andhra campaign, rupees 1 crore life insurance for regular municipal workers and rupees 20 lakh for outsourced workers in case of death or permanent disability. Announced during an interaction with sanitation worker in Pedapuram, the scheme also extends the rupees 1 crore cover to those with permanent disabilities, ensuring long-term support. Additionally, the government will provide rupees 8 lakh in educational aid for children of deceased permanent workers, underscoring a commitment to both immediate relief and future empowerment. This initiative recognizes the vital role of municipal workers and aims to provide them with security, dignity, and opportunity. Our final story today from the Economic Times highlights that Arunachal Pradesh is set to bring peace of mind to thousands of families. The state government has announced a rupees 5 lakh health insurance cover for the families of retired government employees. Open retirement brings with its financial uncertainty, especially when it comes to healthcare. By offering this coverage, the government is ensuring that retired employees and their families can access quality medical care without the burden of out of pocket expenses. The scheme is expected to cover hospitalization and treatment costs, helping families manage medical emergencies with confidence. It is a step toward inclusive healthcare, recognizing that protection shouldn't end with active service, it should extend into retirement when it is often needed the most. And with that, we conclude today's episode. We hope you found this news update helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast Here and Now will continue to bring you more such insurance updates. Until then, take care, goodbye, have a great week ahead.